Hello everyone, welcome back to a vlog video. In today's vlog, I'll be showing you a table makeover and a Friday lunch preparation. So after breakfast, I thought of giving a makeover to our dining table. I have this table runner. Since I'm placing it sideways, I'm folding it and then placing it on the table. I had stitched this table runner maybe few months back. I had put a video on this, on how to stitch a table runner. As I said earlier, I love keeping on changing the position of the furnitures or adding a new decor to the house. So today I thought of giving a makeover to the dining table. Now I'll be doing table coasters with these tile pieces. I have two square tile pieces. So my son is helping in the painting work. To match the table color, I am giving yellow and green color to these tiles. So once it dried, I gave a second coat of the painting too. Sun dried it. So a very beautiful table coaster made out of tiles is ready. So this is my simple table makeover. So for today's lunch, I'll be preparing mixed dal, jeera rice and mutton roast. For the mixed dal, I'm adding oil to a cooker. Add chopped onion and green chili along with 2 medium-sized chopped tomato. Keep frying until the tomato melt. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, chili powder. Keep frying until you get a good aroma. I am adding the washed dal. This is a mixed dal. You get it in the supermarket. Add enough water for the dal to cook. Add salt as per taste. Pressure cook for 4 whistles. Until the dal cook, I am preparing the mutton roast. For this, take a clay pot, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, add 1 large onion roughly chopped. Keep frying. Add half teaspoon of kasuri methi. Add quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. coriander powder, turmeric powder, jeera powder, garam masala powder, pepper powder, and fry for few seconds. Add the cooked meat. I had cooked the meat along with few spices like chili powder, vinegar, turmeric powder, garam masala and salt. Add curry leaf. Cook until the masala reduces. Now add few dry red chili. Cook on low flame until the masala coats the meat. Now mutton roast is also ready. To prepare jeera rice, I am adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil along with cinnamon, clove, cardamom, 2 to 3 crushed garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of jeera. Add enough water for the rice to cook. Wait until it boils. Add biryani leaf and salt. Once it starts boiling, add the washed and soaked rice. Close with the lid and cook until done. Now the dal is also cooked. On the flame and keep smashing the dal. Add water as per the gravy consistency. I am adding few sliced ginger. Half teaspoon of pav bhaji masala for a different taste. Try this. It gives a different taste to the dal. Once the dal is completely boiled, add few curry leaves. Give a seasoning with mustard seed, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion. Fry until the onion is light brown in color. Add a pinch of hing. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 2 to 3 dry red chili. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Pour this into the dal and a tasty mixed dal is ready. So today's lunch is all set. Hope you all liked my today's vlog. If you are a new viewer, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. We'll be back with more videos. Until then, bye and take care.